Welcome to another QuickBooks Online tutorial. My name is Samuel Burmeister and I'm the owner of Toolbooks. Today I'm going to take you through the process of connecting a bank feed to QBO, which is very simple, and let's get started. So first thing you want is an account to connect your bank feed to within QuickBooks Online. So to view your accounts or to set a new one up, go to the chart of accounts, which is located under the accounting tab here on the left-hand side. So we click accounting and then we're in our chart of accounts. Under this list, bank accounts will be displayed as cash and cash equivalents. So in this demo file, you can see we have a few set up already. We're going to use the business bank account. If you need a new account and one is not present already, simply click new up the top corner. Choose the account type as cash and cash equivalents, and then enter in the details. So for example, CommBank. What I like to do sometimes here as well is add the last 4 digits of my account number so that it's very clear when reconciling which account is which. So now I've set up that account. You'll see it here under the cash and cash equivalents section. We can go back to the dashboard and we're ready to connect a bank account. So bank accounts display here on the right-hand side. If you haven't already set one up, QuickBooks will have a big button saying connect a bank account or set up a bank feed. We're going to go down here to connect accounts, click on that, and enter in the bank that we want to connect. So in our case, it's Commonwealth Bank. It'll be one of the main options here. What you'll then get in a normal file is a screen asking you to enter in your login and password. Once that is done, simply select the account that you want to link, select the business account we've set up in QuickBooks, and you're ready to go. It will import the transactions. Now, keep in mind when you import those transactions, before you do the final step, at the bottom of the screen, there's an option to select how much history you'd like to bring across. Make sure you pay attention to that screen and only bring across the amount of transactions you'd like in the file. Once you've connected the bank feed, it will display here on the right-hand side under bank accounts, and any transactions to be allocated will show as 12 to review, 8 to review, etc. You'll have an amount to review. So once you've gone in and allocated those transactions, it will be up to date. And there you have it. That's how you connect a bank feed in QuickBooks Online.